What is up, guys? Yo, today, if you guys saw my last vlog, we're in Ueno Park. It's dark already because we took quite a long time. It took quite a long time for us to get here. It's already dark. As you can see, we at Starbucks at Patsy's. We got some. I got hot chocolate. What did you get? Okay. So today is like an unboxing video. Yeah, let's just get into it. I'm really excited about this. I've been waiting for this guy for so long, so let's just get into it. Oh, yo, look at that. It's the okay, calm down. We're done with you. Yo, we got the, let me just get in there. We got the Hero 6, the GoPro Hero 6. I've been waiting so long for this. I think I said this in the last video. We are going on a snowboarding trip next week. Me, Andu, Ayako, Shimizu, and some other more friends of ours are going to snowboarding. We are going like for a week to snowboarding. Well, not a week. It's going to take us a week, but we are going for 3 days straight snowboarding. Fun, snow, powder snow, white snow, mountain, all of that great shit. And now we're opening the Hero 6 now. I got this. I was researching like if I'm buying a camera this expensive, like yeah, it was a really quite expensive camera. I need to research. I need to research what's the pros, what's the cons. Well, that's what I said to myself, but I didn't do the research. All I did was the price. all I did was the price tag research. And apparently Apple has like the greatest deal. Like this right here was 60,000 yen. Okay, so that's quite expensive if you like, yeah, it's 60,000, right? Rokuma yen, so it's like 60,000 yen. But if you were to go to big camera or Yodobashi camera or like those kind of electronic stores that you see in my vlogs, they sell it for 50,000 for just the camera. But I hear, if you guys can see that the packaging, they got the camera, you got the charger, you got 2 mounts, and then you got what do you get? You got a battery, and then you got another mount, and then you got this holder thing. There's another, it's the same thing. And you also got the case. So this all here for another 10,000. I think it's quite cheap. I think it's quite a great deal, because if you buy like these other accessories alone, it's gonna cost you a bit more. So I think Apple did this deal quite good. Anyways, that's what I thought about it. That's where that's where the point I researched. Like I saw Apple's deal, and then that's it. I thought, yo, this is like the best one that's probably out there. So I just got this out of Apple, off Apple. So yeah, let's just get into it. Yo, look at this case, beautiful. Now, if you guys have the GoPro case, you guys may know it's a mesh finish on top and then a matte kind of like, it's a hard case finish at the bottom. You got the zip, and that's the moment of truth. Yo! Damn, they got everything in here. Okay, so a disclaimer, just quick. I did open this before yesterday. I opened it yesterday because I actually just wanted to charge the battery just for today. Just, you know, to get ready everything. So I did already open this. I already saw what's inside, and what's in the box. So we got this thingy. It's the thing where you screw in the thing. So that's put that right. Yeah. Next we got a mount. Like legit, this is like my first GoPro. I have no idea what's all this for. Another mount. Oh, this is like a curved mount. And you guys can see it's a curved mount. A straight mount. Right there, you also get a straight mount. So yeah, like if you guys have a GoPro, if anyone of you guys have a GoPro and you would like to share this with me, if I were to stick this to something, would it come off? And would I be able to use it again? Comment down below and tell me what's the answer for that. Yo, that would be helpful. And then we got the charger. I think it's a USB to a USB-C. So charger right there. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so now you got this guard case. Is it guard case? It's like a guard case. It's like a case that to stick the thing on the thing. Okay, the big boss. This thing. This I think it's like a tripod. Yeah, tripod. And then I think you can. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Oh, I thought it'd be longer, but then yeah, that's it. That's it. That's all you get. So that's what you get. Sorry, it's dark. You guys won't able to see. I'm trying to flash light on us, but it's not helping at all. Yo. okay, let's try this. Okay, so GoPro care, GP care. Maybe I don't know. I'll probably try. Yeah. So paperwork. You got paperwork. You also get 2 GoPro stickers, which is great. I love stickers. I'm gonna stick this on my MacBook later. And then you got this bag. I don't know what this is. It looks like you can stick it like in a on your belt or something. Okay. So we also got these. Like I think they are separators. No. You separate this like this. I see. Yeah, you do it like that. And then it's supposed to be. I tried it last night, but then it wasn't like. It was hard. Like. Yeah, so you got this. I'll show you guys like how it came in the box, in the case, right now. So you get some of those inside this bag. I think you can like, this is like, if you don't want to bring this big case, you put it inside here and then you just carry it around as a pouch, I guess, right there. And then, last but not least, right here is the camera itself, the GoPro Hero 6, right there. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, let's see. That's satisfying. There you go. GoPro Hero 6, beautiful. I'm gonna sit this right here first. So, like it came in this. Oh right, and it came also with the SD card. Last night I just went and plug it in. Put it in. So you got a battery and an SD card that came with this set. Okay, I forgot to mention that. It came with the set, SD card, micro SD, and also the adapter for normal SD card, and a battery. So I already plug it in because I was charging last night. Great. And also it came with this foam thing, hard foam. I think the purpose with that separators that was in here, you separate, like make a separation in this big thing, but then, you know, might as well use this. You know, I think this is like more safer, more compact and nice. So I'm gonna keep that foam in there until it wear off. Then I'll use those separators. Let me just keep all these. I'm gonna put this right here just for a bit, and then let's talk specs. Again, I'm not really good at all this technical stuff. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just wanted to share everything. Oh my god, it's so cold. So Ando has the Hero 5. So like, as a compatible, like if you see like that, there's no difference. Like the body no difference. Like it fits perfectly right there. See? Yeah. The body is like the same, but inside the specs is not. So let's talk specs. Okay, so off the bat, what we can see is the Hero 6 has a 5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi to offload to your phone or any other devices. Resolution wise, 4K up to 60 frames per second. So, but the Hero 5 shoots up to 30 frames per second in 4K. 2.7K, it shoots up to 120 frames per second, 120 frames per second. So that Hero 5 shoots up to 60 frames per FPS in 2.K frames per second. 1080p, the Hero 5 shoots up to, let's see, that's 120 frames per second. But the Hero 6 shoots up to 240 frames per second. So that's like butter smooth slow motion right there. Wow. Okay. That's crazy right there. Like legit, I have no idea what I'm talking about. I know the technical terms of it, like frames per second, pixels. Like I know what it is, but I like legit, until I get used to all this camera stuff, I have no idea what's the difference. So if you are looking out for like specs and all that, I suggest you go see some other else video, because I have no idea. I have no answer to that. Like you got what you got right there. So let's just see what the resolution is. Okay, so we have the same resolution, the same frames per second, and the same FOV. I don't know what's that. Frame of view, field of view. I don't know. It's on wide. It's in wide. Okay, I'm recording. I'll record it right now. Okay, so on the left is the GoPro Hero 5, and on the right is GoPro Hero 6. This is the setup where we got my phone, iPhone 7. I also got the Galaxy S, Note S. I don't know Galaxy terms yet. Okay. There's children playing. Okay. Get out my frame. Don't do that. And then we got Anders' phone right there standing. So we got that. Wow, this is really wide. Like, if you guys see right there, I am not like going this much. I'm just like right here, and then I can see. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy how wide that is. So like, you can't really tell the colors, but because it's really dark, it's already nighttime. I really wish that we could arrive. Yo, what happened? Oh, okay. So yeah, but don't you think the GoPro 5 looks better? Is that? I think it's. I don't. Is that like? Oh, okay. No. Oh no, the GoPro 6 has more.
Right.
Yeah, it's more bright. There you go. Oh, my. Okay. Yeah, GoPro Hero 6 is brighter. But yeah, I really want to try to compare it in when it's light time. So I think the next time we are going to meet is at the snowboarding. So look out for that, and we'll see how it reacts to daylight. So we'll do that comparison at that time. But I guess that's it. That is our, well, mine and show his unboxing. I guess I didn't really unbox it in front of you guys. I just did some sick transition. But unboxing of the GoPro Hero 6. I'm excited to own this. I'm really glad that I bought it. It costs a lot though. I said my wallet's crying. I guess that's it. That's our unboxing. We'll get back to our vlog, yesterday's vlog. So yeah, we're done. Bye.